Dude, I'll tell you what we did one time. So we had a dent in a car, or vehicle, or whatever you guys call them. And, yeah. And, dude, we caught a couple of pigeons and got them to shit over the dent.
Oh, you just held the pigeon over there? You kept feeding it?
Squeezed it a
And
little?
we didn't feed them. They'll shit pretty soon after you hold them. And we turned it in, and when it had this kind of, just a shit finish, I guess, on it. And they didn't see the dent. They didn't see the damage,
Smart.
So that's kind of an old school thing, I guess.